Everybody out there should be expressing themselves on YouTube. Everybody. Whatever you know, you should be teaching something on YouTube. Everybody knows something that somebody don't know. And I don't care if it's playing a hand of cards. I don't care if it's fixing something, cooking something. Anything. There's always something you know how to do that another person don't know how to do. The thing is, people be worrying about the wrong shit. If you worrying about views, you worrying about subs, it's not gonna work like that. It's not gonna work like that. See, the way I work is, and I can't say this for everybody, but the way I work is, I got a daughter. So, all the content I put out, I make sure that it makes sense. So when my daughter get older, if these platforms are still around, she able to see. And when she have her kids, if she have kids, they able to see if the platforms are still around. So I don't have to be lit now. I look out towards the future. And that's all you should be thinking. It's just that people don't have enough piled up. This is why I learned finance. You learn finance so you could build up a nice emergency fund and build up 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, overhead. Then you can attack your goals from all angles. So you can't attack your goals with nothing because you're always thinking about bills. You're always thinking about bills. Your goal is to take care of that bill. You smell me? That's why I'm happy I learned finance. Let's say, right, I put a video up, the video only get 30 views, I don't care. I put a video up, the video get 1,000 views, I don't care. The video gets 10,000 views, I don't care. I'm not in it for that. So what I'm trying to tell you is, that's how you express yourself. You pile up some bread, you get on one of these platforms, and you create content. Create content. Teach somebody something. Give somebody something to learn. Fulfill a need. It'll come later. Let the money run later. Let it come later. Let it run up. Let everything work the way it's going to work. Because when you're trying to force something, it'll make you quit. When you put something out and you don't get what you want, you're going to quit. I mean, this is not something you want to do from jump anyway. You just wanted to get in where you fit in. And it don't work like that. You got to put in work. You got to put in work. And that's how you express yourself on YouTube. Straight up. I don't care if you want to give people advice. You're fulfilling the need. We are all creators in our own way. Some people just don't know how, where, what. I don't know how to begin. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam Lit the Ghetto Man.